Khuborjylla Pibaro syakatup Khuborjylla ke Bosco Media Network. Mat makongsan mentang kesini Shillong. Mardor khot hadir ke Meghalaya High Court UDC bat SP ke East Jylla Hills. Kla upulit constable ba ulala ban yeng hala kejong kekejat dari negeri Rymphang Children's Home. Hung Judicial Inquiry ke Sorkar halor ke Jingdhei ke Bar Dewyong Hatang Kso. Bat yok khusnam Menteri Rangpa Konrad K. Sangma bat Profesor David R. Imli na ke CBCI. Bat mentangin pa syaki Khubor bakam benya. Khubor senchar ke East Jylla Hills District kibakantup yo Deputy Commissioner Manish Kumar bat Superintendent of Police Vikash Kumar haga khandai tarik Rymphang kilalit hajir khmat ka yeng kashari Meghalaya High Court halor ke jingbethai dynamite hakrem Dewyong haga santarik Rymphang haminsngat thangso. Kini ke jingbethai dynamite kalabam arpun yongut ki mensim briu bat kalapin mensau khandai ngut kat kum ke Khubor balayo na kate jaka. Kayeng kashari Meghalaya High Court kala shimkia ya kani ke jingjia bas ngau shirkai bat daladehi klem dadon kanu ke kenhon kaban ai FIR kala khot hajir ye kini ki arngut ki kle nong senchar jong ke East Jylla Hills District ban batai bat jubab khmat ki nong bishar ya ka daw ke bala pelong ye kini ke jingjia ha ka santarik Rymphang nalor ba National Green Tribunal kala khang banti Dewyong Park nai na do usnam arjar khatsa. Empat tip ki egi jingya keren bat ki juba bala clay do DC bat SP hakmat ke ying bishar.
Tell us what exactly happened in the court.
In connection with the illegal coal mining blast that happened on the 5th of February, and the Honorable High Court had taken the cognizance, and the DC and SP of East Jylla Hills were called for personal appearance. In that connection, we had come to the Honorable High Court, and we'll be, since the matter is sub judice, at this stage, we cannot say much. We'll be doing our bit that is required, and search and rescue operation is still ongoing. The investigation in those cases, in the case, is ongoing. We have made arrest, and it is going in right direction, and I'm sure that we'll bring it to the logical conclusion.
When will be the next appearance in the court?
We'll be getting the order by evening. So after that only, we'll be able to say that which date appearance will be there.
So search and rescue operation, is it over? Have you stopped the rescue operation?
No, it is still ongoing as of now. Yeah, yesterday also it was there. We could not recover any body yesterday, and today also the search and rescue operation is still ongoing.
So, how long are you planning to continue with this operation?
It will depend on the teams that are deployed there in the area, SDRF, special rescue team that are there. At the same time, we will take the considered decision subsequently, because we have to see the terrain and everything.
Kayeng rikun swet balajer kerteng Rymphang Children's Home haga khandai tarik Rymphang kala raki kemen ye kelingko khat news nem ganthi daki program babonjat. Yaki program le kemen la pelong ha hall jong ka Bosco Integrated Development Society bits hanong Shillong nong thamai. Ka Rymphang Children's Home amtang bakari ka basa yaki khna Henry kaplela yakini ki khun swet da ki jinghikai bantre ban kta knang bikin la ban yeng halaki jongki kejat hak kamai kaji na kebenta kalawai jongki. La sakhi yakani lingba ki video balapin I yakani kesngi hakaba ladon lang uba Charles Pingrop MLA kanong thamai constituency ubala long ukong san bat ka director social welfare kong CD lingwa kum kesimbot kong san rengkat kilong kemi kilong kpa kibalapoi ban lek men lang hakani kesngi. Hakani kesngi lapen kop borom ru iki Samla kibala yok kam yok jam bat kibala tere lakta hadin bikila shong lasa Rymphang Children's Home kibala yok ban khet ye kiso ka jing job ha ka jing em jongki lapen shong kun bat pen shong shit shu ye kani kesngi de ki jing shat ki jing ruai bat ki jing pen berngya babon jat ne ki khna ka Rymphang Children's Home
Amtami kong Lingua, Director Jogga, Social Welfare. But mentasing of empower jing snong ko crowd. You kadar the Director Father James, Deputy Director Father Rymphang, Father Ramba, Rocky fathers ki badan hanni, sisters, ki officers jo ki department ko where khamtam the social welfare, but boro kinong le baha jom yakaniga institution Rymphang children's home, but lumbaka bits ngayon when you eat a kmat la jom small to school jom ya jingle ba ya kini ki kon ki jongi ki ba klam ke lumbaka jingera ke jom pi na trai nimte mission ki toy kini gam di ke sen ki bading kong ngayon when one celebrate one of these days. I was there earlier in the years when Father Genesis was there and when the sisters were also. I should be a regular visitor as a guest. And I used to enjoy every moment with these children. But today when we see the success stories, kanong isong kumen, ba lumba kaching, yalam linti, the nurture, the care you have given them. When we see the success stories, it gives us a lot of hope that there is a future if all of us just lend a helping hand. Morbid lumlali, inilada boro, ni lumla, yaka, jingera pejungi, that will be same. Now it's scary. Not only the children of Rymphang's home, but everywhere in the state of ours. We'll see the light at the end of the tunnel, which is all what you want for our children. Ilabadi jong kunjong jong kiwe, ire bakado di kunjong le. Te angni nganu multi nomor ba, ya krelu boro, but it take a jingla ba, jong ki missionaries boper ba, Today we appreciate the efforts of Rymphang and BITS in the endeavor to bring a better life for our children. I remember coming here once and ngayat tinang ni ngubali siya maran bol dan na sausung batinga di darila imama.
Menteri Rangba Sinrop ke Jylla ba Preston Tensong haga kendai terik Rymphang ulapin bena pat ba baga Sorkar Meghalaya kalathung da Judicial Inquiry Commission bantok kit ya ki briu ki badon kti haga jingbathai dynamite ya ki par dowyong balati bean hamin sngat thangso East Giant Hills haga santerik Rymphang arjar arpunyo. Hakani ke jingbathai dynamite haki krem dowyong ladu arpunyo ngut ki mensim jong kinong bela bat kendai ngut ki wei pat kilamensa. Ubak Preston ompat yat ho pat ba manu banlong ukli jongkani ke Judicial Inquiry Commission.
Constitute the Judicial Inquiry Commission as far as this incident that has happened recently, and ultimately we will hand over everything to them. And once the chairman is appointed, I'm very sure they will carry out investigation or whatever. Whatever incidents happen, action is taken. I think you must have seen the report. We have tried our best. But now again, this incident that has just happened recently, you knew it well. The interior places. I think from the main road, it takes you, even by 4 wheels, it takes you 3.5 to 4 hours. So you know the topography, the challenges that even the police personnel faced. So therefore, as I said to you right now, and especially during the winter season, we are going aggressively after the incident happened. And let me tell you one thing, we will continue to do that especially during this dry season, to make sure that the illegal
Kasenjuk ki Bishop Catholic Kari India, Catholic Bishops Conference of India CBCI, kala ai khusnam arngut kiri rangba na Meghalaya, ki bekentup yo Menteri Rangba Konrad K. Sangma, but you Professor David R. Imle. Nalor kini ki arngut ki donru sakhat nyongut na keleng Kari India, ki bala yo khusnam na kebenta ki jingpen no bha bapher ha ke imlang salang. Menteri Rangba Konrad K. Sangma, ulayo na kebenta ki kam ba ula penno bha ha ke jing syakri paipa ha ke senchar khadar. Kat bayu Professor David R. Imle, la ai ke khusnam halor ki mati ba ula penno ha ke puli puthi, ke jing penyat bed ye ki kam ki jam ha ki office terekam, bat ye ki kot ba koridor ba ula tho ha ki snem balala. Ha ke jing kren hadin bala penkop buram, da ke ni ke khusnam ha ke ni ke sngi, Menteri Rangba ulapen pau ke jingkemen ke bakrau ba ke CBCI ke lejiet yu na ke benta ke ni ke khusnam. Ulapen ken mau ye ke jing jeliu jong ke jing hikai jong ke balang Katolik bantre na duk ke mensim na ke benta ke jing roi jong ki para beriu. Uloong ukpa jonga pernu esang ma ula juong Konrad wat rung syakakam politics ladamikwa jing mentoy. Henry ladamikwa bantre na ke benta ki para beriu Trei kum unong trei pat ba. Uloong kani ke khusnam kala ai ding ye ke mensim jonga bantre shitom arsha. Kum juru ki samla kin yo mensim bantur syakmat bantre na ke benta ki kam babha. Uloong ru ki samla ki don kam ban yo shibun ki jing kermen ki jing plelenti bat nong yalam basbun mensim ban betin ye ki syakalawe bapernai. Professor David R. Imle ulapen pau bala pediang ngobha ye kini ke khusnam bat ulapen pau ba umla ban pediang daladehi ha kini ke sngi.
All our heads of our Catholic Church, all our cardinals, our archbishops and bishops, and whoever we can imagine, have blessed 19 of us and awarded us and recognized our work. I won't be surprised, based on Bishop Joseph's calculations, that we may have 19 new auxiliary bishops also. Friends, gratitude is one of the basic values that the Catholic Church teaches us. I've been saying this in many platforms. Last time I was in the ICYM program of the Tura Diocese. And I told the youth that I'm so happy that so many of you have come out here. And I'm so happy to see how well dressed you are, how committed you are to this program. But I hope and I pray that while your commitments are there to ensure that ICYM gets stronger, our different programs are successful, at the end of the day, if you don't practice being a good Catholic in your values and in your day-to-day life, your programs and attending these different conventions is almost meaningless. Today, these awards that have been given are not just simple awards. This is the CBCI and the Catholic Church telling each and every citizen, telling each and every individual that your contribution and your work matters. Continue to work, continue to serve, Continue to be a good Catholic. Continue to bring out the values that you have been taught. The values of gratitude, the values of kindness, the values of forgiveness.
Bantip kambaha halor kilat ban shim ye kita ki jingida la dekhe ujumai ne wanling shop kinu ki bor mariang. Ka Meghalaya State Disaster Management Authority MSDMA baka District Disaster Management Authority DDMA Rymphang District ka Revenue and Disaster Management Department harungkat ka jingit relang bat ka National Disaster Management Authority NDMA minta kasngi ka kendai terik Rymphang kila pelong da ka program ban hikai shiki pa bantip halor kita kilat jingeda lada wanling shop kita ki bor mariang lani ka state level mock exercise on earthquake disaster. Yakani ka program ay jing hikai la pelong ha Shillong airport kabadon ha umroy Rymphang district. Ha kani ka mock drill ujumai ba prapoint R magnitude ulaki ha Shillong airport ha ka balasaki ba ka Shillong airport kala shaling shop ha kani ka jingki ujumai. Ha kani ka mock drill lawan ban shimintalang do ba e marthong Assistant Commissioner ka Rymphang district ki he officer na katanat pulit kinong trey na katanat kakot kakya na katanat fire and emergency service kinong trey na kabhoyrambong CNRD block kinong trey ka Shillong airport umroy lembat kiwe ki he officer. Ha kani ka ju kasngi la pelong ru ia kani ka state level mock exercise on earthquake disaster ha MS Umyam Distillation Private Limited EPIP bernihat.
First of all, I'd like to inform every one of you that the search and rescue operation at airport has been completed successfully. And I congratulate everyone, all the departments involved, for successfully completing the search and rescue operation here at airport. Today's doctrine here at airport is not just a routine exercise, but is an exercise to prepare every one of us. As we all know that disaster does not give a notice before coming. It comes unexpectedly, and in those first few minutes of a disaster, if you are confused, the confusion can cost lives. However, if you are prepared, if you are aware, then coordinated efforts can help save and protect those precious lives.
Bat da kini ki Khubor ngilapoi shikabakut tak haduk bengindai syam biang kublai shibot.